Is it strange that I actually don't know how to spell the word budget? That's very embarrassing. Yeah, that's better. This month is about self-awareness and self-compassion. Okay, so it is weigh-in day and I am down 8.6 kilograms. It looks like last week there was hormonal fluctuations due to that time of the month, and I swole up with water and I did gain 0.2 kilograms, but I've more than made up for it in losing, I think, 2.6 since last Friday. My plan that I set out last week, I didn't follow it, and I confess it has been a struggle to eat because I don't feel hungry. It's been a struggle to drink. I don't feel thirsty, and I am mainly focusing on proteins and vegetables and salads, and I'm having some hummus wraps and things as going along. It's interesting. I'm still cooking my husband's meals and stuff, but definitely not feeling like I want to eat what he's eating at this time. So the Mounjaro is Mounjaro-ing, and I just wanted to do some measurements because I didn't start off with these, but it'll be good to continue. To start now, essentially. Okay, so let me just do another video clip. Okay, so I want to start now to do my measurements, and we will do bust first. No, not the right paper, because this one came free with a health check I was doing. Can't find the other one. Okay, so for the bust, we are currently, I would say, 115 centimeters for the bust. For the waist, 115. The waist is 101. Wait, waist should just be like, I should know my waist is right. Oh, 101. Let me look again. Yeah, 101 centimeters. The hips, which I know I don't have, I'm not a hippie girl, so this paper is not the easiest to do. No, let's go a bit further. Sorry. I have to cut this out. 111 for waist, and then arm. Oops. Arms, bicep rather. I'm going gym tonight, so after 35, can I say it's a bit, 34 centimeters. That's it for now, and we will set a table and we will do charting now, here and out, for my measurements. So look, the back, skin is definitely getting more flabby. So I'm looking, you can see a bit more of a dip in here. Okay, well, we'll do pictures as well. But I feel okay, and I'll give you more of the updates person to person. A little still from my coaching class that I offer for free every month, every last Wednesday. I did manage to make it to one gym session in the evening on the Friday night, and I will go in the morning from next week, so nothing can get in the way. But I did a very heavy leg day, and even days afterwards I still felt the pain. Running, squats, weights, all that jazz. It's very important to tone muscle, and I'm making it a priority now. Went to Brown's Brasserie for brunch with my mother. I did not like this food at all. Avocado, sweet corn fritters and avocado, dry. Much prefer Caribbean ackee and saltfish, but no saltfish, delicious. Here are my pictures. You can see the top. These are my most recent. At the bottom, it's a month before, 31st of January compared to the 2nd of March. And you can see there is improvement, and I'm going to monitor here on out. See you next time.